Good morning, students. Last class we discussed about valency. Now we observe 1 to 20 elements of valency. How we can identify the valency of 1 to 20 elements? Now first column we should write name of the element. Second column symbol of element. Third column atomic number. Fourth column valency electrons. Next column valency. Now one by one we are doing. First one is hydrogen. Symbol of hydrogen what? H. Atomic number is 1. Number of valence electron is 1. Valence is 1. This second element is helium. Symbol of helium Hc. Atomic number is 2. Number of valence electrons 2. Valency 0. All inert gas exist 0 valency. Here helium is inert gas. That side is 0 valency. Next lithium. Symbol of lithium is Li. Atomic number is 3. Valency electrons how many is there? 1. Valency 1. Next beryllium. Symbol is Be. Atomic number 4. Valency electrons 2. Valency 2. Next boron. Symbol of boron is B. Atomic number 5. Number of valence electrons 3. Valency 3. Next carbon. Carbon symbol C. Atomic number 6. Number of valence electrons 4. Valency of carbon is 4. Nitrogen. Symbol of nitrogen capital N. Atomic number 7. Number of valency electrons 5. Valency of nitrogen 3. So here hydrogen, symbol of hydrogen, atomic number, valence electrons, valency 1. Next helium, symbol of helium He, atomic number 2, valency electrons 2, valency 0. Because of helium is the inert gas. That's why inert gas exists 0 valency. Next lithium, symbol of lithium Li, atomic number 3. Valency electrons 1. Valency is 1. Next beryllium. Beryllium symbol Be. Atomic number 4. Valence electrons 2. Valency 2. Next, boron. Symbol of boron is B. Atomic number of boron is 5. Valence electrons present in boron 3. Valence of boron is 3. Next, carbon. Symbol of carbon is C. Atomic number of carbon 6. Valence electrons 4. Valence of carbon is 4. Next, nitrogen. Symbol of nitrogen N. Atomic number 7. Number of valence electrons 5. Valence of nitrogen 3. Next, remaining elements we can observe. Name of element oxygen. Symbol of oxygen O. Oxygen atomic number is 8. Number of valence electron is 6. Valence of oxygen is 2. Next, fluorine. Name of element is fluorine. Symbol of fluorine is F. Atomic number of fluorine is 9. Valency electrons present in fluorine is 7. Valency of fluorine is 1. Next, neon. Symbol of neon is Ne. Atomic number of neon 10. Number of valence electrons present in neon 8. Valence of neon is 0. Why neon exists 0 valency? So neon is a inert gas. That's why it exists 0 valency. Next, sodium. Sodium symbol Na. Atomic number 11. Valence electrons present in sodium is 1. Valence of sodium is 1. Name of the element is magnesium. Symbol of element of magnesium Mg. Atomic number of magnesium 12. Number of valency electrons present in magnesium 2. Valency of magnesium 2. Next, name of element aluminium. Symbol of aluminium Al. Atomic number of aluminium 13. Valence electrons present in aluminium 3. Valence of aluminium 3. Next, name of the element silicon. Symbol of silicon Si. Atomic number of silicon 14. Valency electrons present in silicon 4. Valence of silicon 4. Next, Name of the element is phosphorus. Symbol of phosphorus P. Atomic number of phosphorus 15. Valency electrons present in phosphorus 5. Valence of phosphorus is 3. Next, sulfur. Symbol of sulfur S. Atomic number of sulfur 16. Number of valence electrons present in sulfur 6. Valency 2. Next, name of element chlorine. Symbol of chlorine Cl. Atomic number of chlorine 70. Valency electrons present in chlorine 7. Valence of chlorine 1. Next, argon. Name of element is argon. Symbol of argon Ar. Atomic number of argon 18. Valence electrons present in argon 8. Valence of argon 0. Why argon exists 0 valency? Because argon is a inert gas. Inert gas always exists 0 valency. Next, name of element potassium. Symbol of element K. Next, atomic number of potassium 19. Number of valence electrons present in potassium 1. Valence of potassium 1. Name of the element calcium. Symbol of calcium Ca. Atomic number of calcium 20. Number of valence electrons present in calcium 2. Valence of calcium 2. So this is valence of 1 to 20 elements. Next, variable valency. Variable valency. What is the meaning of variable valency? An element exists more than one valency is called as variable valency. An element exists more than one valency is called as variable valency. Take any one example. Iron. Symbol of iron Fe. Iron exists two valencies. Fe2 plus Fe3 plus. So this is here. Iron exists 2 plus as well as 3 plus. 3 plus. One element exists different valencies. So that is called as variable valency. If an element exists lower valency, then the suffix word is used as us form. Lower valency. an element exists lower valency, we can use suffix word what? Aswam. Next, an element exists higher valency. The suffix word we should use ik form. Suffix word is and word. Now, how we can give the name of Fe2 plus Fe3 plus? Now, it is lower valency. That's why the name of the element we should add it as form. Now, Fe2 plus. This is the lower valency. That's why the suffix word is attached to the end of the name of element. Now, Latin name of iron is ferrum. Here, end of the element attached to as form. Now we should write ferrous. Next, take this one. It is higher valency. That's why the suffix word used as ik form. Where we should use the ik form is attached to the end of name of the element. What is the name of element? Latin name of Fe? Ferrum. So here um replaced by ik form. Ferric. An element exists lower valency, we can use as form. An element exists higher valency, we can use ik form. So, thank you. Next class we will discuss about remaining topic.